Oh, a little lane.
Oh, nice.
A little lane. Nice.
Oh, getting bigger.
Coño, big lane. Damn. Nice, babe. Good job. Blue runner. What happened?
She caught a jack.
Who caught a jack?
She did.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
They're both pointing at each other. I left my rod there with a little piece I had on there. And
luckily,
I was throwing something
I
away.
brought it up and it broke right now. Like, really, I brought it up and went, pow.
It fell right there.
I'm sure I get that hook back. This is the eatable jack, right?
Some people eat it, but I don't eat it.
This is the jack what? Crevaldi?
Corral. Yeah, is it? With the yellow tail and the black spot, yeah. Yeah, Jack Corral.
Esa línea hizo.
Jack Crevalle.
Nice!
Finally, bro.
Nice!
Finally, I catch a Jack Crevalle, man. A big one, though.
Oh, wow. Look. Wait. You barely caught it.
That's the bait.
You barely caught it. Look at the hook.
It's on the side, right?
Nice job. Congratulations.
Thank you, bro. About time.
Finally.
And they fight hard, too. Oh, wow. Barely, yeah.
Yeah, barely had him. What, you had the mullet?
Nah. A blue runner.
Yeah.
No way. You crazy? No.
Have you ever had that?
Nah, but the meat is red, so I'm going to let it go. Hey, guys. We're going to keep it for bait or no?
I was looking at the rod and I'm like...
No?
Well, he had been telling me.
Be careful, baby. Careful. Spanish mackerel, man. Wow. Con camarón. Hell yeah. We ate this. Hold on. Whoa.
Gloves?
No, no. I know. Baby, dame ahí para quitarlo. Dame ahí para quitarlo. ¿Tú le has visto los dientes a esto?
Let me see.
No.
Spanish Mac.
Eating size? I think so.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Take them home.
I'm taking them home.
Eso se come.
Sí, eso se come. Spanish Mac. What the hell? The smallest puffer I've ever caught in my life. Hey, look at this.
Mutton. Come on, mutton. 16 inches, please.
No, I'll do it now.
I don't see him yet.
Come on, Homer.
He had it for the rock. Oh,
Mutton.
Nice.
Damn, a nice mutton. Good job, man.
Yeah, nice. Small but nice.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, don't turn up. The kiss of the dead.
Oh shit, they're biting.
grab it.
Hold on, hold
Oh,
on.
you missed it.
Hold on, hold
You
on.
missed the pool.
Hold on, bro. Oh, it's not. Ah, it's gone. Damn, it is gone.
See? You missed the pool. That was the one.
You know, bro. Derek, I caught him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, damn, it's coming in hot, bro.
Color.
Big blue one.
Good old.
Yeah, I know. That was cool.
Another blue one.
Don't start now. Don't start now porque ahora mismo paró y no. Ay, ay, ay.
He goes, he goes.
Pero take your time, take your time.
No se llevó la línea completa. No, pero dale, dale, mijo, todavía.
Dale, dale, take your time, bro. No worries. ¿Qué es lo que tú crees? ¿Una manta?
No sé, bro, pero es un camarón, yo no sé.
Coño, pero un camarón. Dale, take your time.
Estamos yendo para el lado, ¿eh?
It was screaming.
Puede ser manta, tú sabes, yo tengo suerte esta hora para la manta.
No, y con esa vara.
Siempre es la misma vara, ¿sabes?
That's your lucky rod. Omar, you're gonna be the closing clip in my video. Yeah.
Espero que no falte, ¿eh?
Sí, por eso, o sea, no le pongas tanto. Take your time, man.
Holy shit, that's a
Yeah,
lot.
he's coming. He's already tight. Like me.
Ok, pero no le ponga, yo no le pusiera la mano a la línea, ahora si eso se dispara te va
No, tranquilo.
a quemar.
No, pero me ayudando la vara a subir porque con la derecha una mano puedo, ¿eh?
It's there. I can't see shit.
You getting it?
Yeah, it's right here. And there's mangroves down there. What the hell?
And it's running that way.
Lo que pasa es que él no está punteando, para mí es manta, bro.
Bueno, vamos a ver, men, vamos a ver, no sé, let's see what happens. Vas a tener que empezar a correr para allá.
Agarrando uno.
Hey, bring down that rod. Bring down that rod. Shit, watch out. Dale, go. It's going into the rocks. It's going into the rocks. Dale, go. Go. Shit. Espérate. Go under. Dale, go. I see color.
No, it's
Ya,
not
esa- esa
Oh, una
bro.
manta. Yeah,
Te lo dije,
una manta.
a esta hora es la manta,
Yeah.
bro.
I had a feeling it was
Yeah.
Así me pasó la otra vez, bro. Con la misma vara.
anybody have a glove?
That's a preschool bus, huh?
I'll try to take you. Remember like last time? That we took out the hook?
Adrian, ten cuidado con el
Pega la
stinger.
mano.
Is there a
Good job, bro.
Pero no what I expected.
No importa, por lo menos a fight, you know?
Okay. Pa, dame el rag.
Trapo.
Watch out with the stinger in the tail.
No.
Ya, partió.
Broke.
That's okay.
Chocó.
Damn, he's big.
Bye.
He's big.
Oye, te lo dije, después del mediodía a mí lo que me toca es manta.